Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Bluey and his friends. Let's start drawing. At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle, then I divide it into 6 small squares like this. Bluey. Bluey is a curious and energetic 6-year-old blue heeler pup. Amazing! Bluey's adventurous spirit often leads her to discover new things and learn important life lessons. Bingo! Bingo is Bluey's 4-year-old younger sister, a red heeler puppy. Amazing! Bingo sometimes feels overshadowed by her older sister but learns to shine in her own unique way. Chloe. Chloe is a Dalmatian and one of Bluey's best friends. I love my pen. Chloe often shows a thoughtful and considerate side, making her a wonderful friend to everyone. Coco. Coco is a poodle with a lively and outgoing personality. I love my pen. Coco's enthusiasm sometimes leads her to be a bit bossy, but her friends appreciate her creativity and leadership. Honey. Honey is a thoughtful and somewhat cautious beagle. Amazing! Honey is known for her curiosity and loves reading and learning new facts. Buddy. His calm and steady presence makes him a comforting friend to have around. I love my pen. Buddy has a big heart and is always ready to lend a helping paw to anyone in need. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Bluey. She loves to play imaginative games with her friends and family. Amazing! She looks up to her dad, Bandit, and loves spending time with her little sister, Bingo. Bingo. She is sweet, gentle, and enjoys playing along with Bluey's creative games. I love my pen. She has a close bond with her mom, Chili, who often helps her navigate her feelings. Chloe. She is kind-hearted, loyal, and enjoys joining in on Bluey's imaginative adventures. She sometimes feels shy but always rises to the occasion when it matters most. Coco. She loves being the center of attention and has a flair for drama. Despite her confident exterior, she has moments of insecurity and seeks reassurance from her friends. Amazing. Honey. She prefers to think things through and often asks questions to understand the world better. Her friends value her wisdom and the unique perspective she brings to their games. Buddy. He enjoys playing with his friends and goes with the flow, rarely getting upset. His calm and steady presence makes him a comforting friend to have around. Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light red. Yellow. Orange. Light green. Light blue. Purple. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.